Hello guys, in this video I will tell you how to fix Myrogers app keeps crashing. So it is easy and simple, so please watch the full video. So let's get started. First of all, long press on Myrogers app and now tap on app info option. Now you should have to tap on storage usage option on the top and now tap on clear cache and then tap on clear data and now tap on OK. The cache and data has been cleared. So the next step is go to Google Play Store or App Store if you are using iOS, and then tap on search option in the bottom. Now tap on search bar on the top and here type Myrogers and now tap on OK. So here you should have to tap on the update button option. You will see update button option here. Update this app to the latest version. This will fix the issue for you. So hope this video will help you. Thanks.